Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have some opportunities for you to join in on some really fun challenges. Dory from Dory's Dollies and I have set up three challenges using different dolls that we would like to invite you to join in. The first one we're going to talk about is Dolls Gone Goth. And this month the challenge is Wednesday Addams, and that is a head nod towards the second season of the Wednesday show coming out. I think it's Netflix. I'm not doing them a commercial, but I am. This is just one of my Wednesday Addams dolls. You can take any doll you have and dress her like Wednesday Addams, or you can show us any Wednesday Addams doll. It does not have to be a Blythe at all, anything. You can show your whole collection or one, however you want to do it. And then coming up on the 18th of the month is Hi Barbie. And this is a Barbie doll challenge, and you can use any Barbie you want. I just happen to love this girl. Where did I get her? I can't remember, but I just love her. The challenge is New Year, New Clothes. And if you show your Barbie in an outfit that you made or you bought, or maybe you found her at a thrift store, she's wearing a cute outfit, show that. It's still new. And you can use any kind of Barbie doll you like. You know, they make them from like, what are those, 2.5, 3 inches, the minis, and then there's the minis, all the way up to the 36-inch. We don't care. We just want you to join in. If you don't have a Barbie, check thrift stores. You can usually get them for a couple dollars. You also might know somebody getting rid of some. On February 3rd, coming up February 3rd, the Amaya Raine challenge is going to be Valentine's Day outfit. Again, you do not have to make an outfit. You can buy one, you can borrow one, you can fancy one up that you have. I love this fabric for dolls, these little bitty tiny hearts. I found these knee-high socks at the Dollar Tree, and you can make all kinds of doll clothes out of these. If you're new to sewing and you want to sew for your doll and need a place to show off what you've made, we want to see it. We want to see all of your Rainbow High dolls. Again, Amaya Raine Day is what we call it because Dory and I have the 24-inch Rainbow Highs, and I think it was a couple people asked us if we could do something with the large Rainbow High, and we decided to just include all Rainbow High and Shadow High dolls. So you can use any one you want. We just want to get together and have fun. Thank you for watching. Dory, you're a doll. If you don't watch Dory's channel, you are missing out. Be sure and go by today and take a look at what Dory is showing, and subscribe to her channel, as well as please subscribe, comment, and like here too.